Do you buy or sell Bitcoin? This is one question which is coming across traders' mind these days. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at what are some of the patterns that are getting played out on the Bitcoin chart. Also, we are going to take a look at the grayscale Bitcoin unlocking and what impact it could have on the Bitcoin price in the near future. And also, what are the Bitcoin support prices for the long term. So stay tuned to this video and find out more.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. Now let's jump onto the Bitcoin charts. So firstly, we are on the Bitcoin 1 hour chart here, and the first thing that we notice is a bearish divergence that is getting formed right here. So we had a higher high in the RSI and we had a lower high on the price action. This indicates that there might be some level of pullback on the Bitcoin prices in the near future as well. What are the key levels of support and resistances? Let's take a quick look on that. So currently we are right on the 50 period simple moving average. If we break below, then the 20 period is at about $32,340. That is something that we are looking at for the next few hours for the Bitcoin price. So now on the 4-hour chart, what we can see is we were forming this triangle. Bitcoin was actually trading within this triangle for some time and we finally broke down it on the 13th of July. We are now close to the bottom of the triangle. If we treat this as a resistance and get a rejection, then we make further come down. What are the levels of support if we go down? Let's pull out the fib retracement for that. So on the fib retracement, the first level of support is at 32,630, below which is the 32,000 level. If we go below that, then these levels of about 31,800 might act as a good level of support. Now, why is this pump that we are seeing in Bitcoin for the last few hours or the last few 4 hourly candles? It's because there was a double bottom pattern that was getting formed on the RSI, and as we know, the double bottom is a bullish scenario. So because of this, we got a ride to the upside as well. Now there is an important event that is scheduled on the 18th and 19th of this month, okay, and that is the grayscale unlocking, which is scheduled on the 18th of this month, and this is the largest unlocking that will be happening in history, and they will be unlocking about 16.24 thousand bitcoins. Now let's take a quick look what happened when the last unlock happened of such magnitude. So the last unlock, which was on 21st of June 2021, was about 12,000 bitcoins, and this one is about 16,000 bitcoins. So let's go to the daily chart and see how the price action actually performed on the 21st of June. So we are currently on the daily chart right here, and on the 21st of June, what we can see right here is we got a big red candle. If we are to measure the move, then this was a drop of approximately 12% in one single day. So what I am expecting personally is, because of this grayscale unlocking, which is scheduled on the 18th, on the 19th, I am not going to long any Bitcoin currently, even if it goes all the way, down to $31,000 as well, because I am of the assumption that on the 18th or on the 19th, we might see a big pullback, and that pullback can actually lead us all the way down to about $26,000 as well, where we have mentioned earlier is a CME gap. Now, if we assume that we go approximately the same percentage that we went, so a 12% drop from 32,000 would actually take us all the way to about $28,800. But this time around, I'm expecting a much steeper fall as well. So what will happen? We need to keep a close look on that. And speaking of corrections, we are currently on the weekly chart, and this is the line graph that I have plotted here. This will help us to understand the support and resistances in a much better way. So the next level of support, which is very important, is at about 32,000. Okay, if we break this support on a weekly timeline, then the next level of support, as we can see right here, is down at about 19,600, or approximately the 20,000 arena, breaking which we get another support at about 13,600, or approximately the 14,000 area. And the final level of support for Bitcoin would be at around $12,000. So the worst case scenario, again, I feel, is the 14,000 arena, because of multiple reasons. I have made a video on it. You can click the icon above my head and you can watch the video why I feel Bitcoin can go well below $20,000 and why $14,000 could be the bottom for Bitcoin in this market cycle. So that's pretty much it about this video on Bitcoin. Do let me know what are some of the altcoins that you would like us to cover, or if you would like us to do further analysis on Bitcoin, and I would happily do that for you. If you like the content, please smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also make sure you share our video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to change their lives, because cryptocurrency is in initial stages and it has the power to change our lives as well. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.